Roos, goedenavond. EC123 establishing on ILS 27.
Hello, EC1123, runway 27, clear to land. Wind 240 degrees 20 knots, gusting 30.
Clear to land, runway 27, EC123.
EC2 rate, direct to Ikarit. EC28, direct to Ikarit.
Direct to Ikarit.
FedEx 3166, after Sierra Papa Lima, fly heading 050.
Heading 050, FedEx 3166.
KLM 2 for Echo, what is your indicated airspeed?
220, KLM 2 for Echo.
Roger. EC28, contact Amsterdam radar 125, decimal 750.
125, 750, EC28, good afternoon, bye.
Bye.
Skip propose EC225 request taxi.
EC225, taxi Sierra 7, runway 24, via Alpha.
Taxi Sierra 7, runway 24 via Alpha, EC225.
Alpha 95 Golf Alpha, runway 24, clear for takeoff. Wind 240 degrees 20 knots, maximum 30.
Clear for takeoff, runway 24, Alpha 95 Golf Alpha.
FedEx 3166, I guess you are now already on the heading. Turn left heading 040.
050, FedEx 3166, sorry about that.
KLM 2 for Echo, turn right heading 180 base.
Turning right, heading 180, KLM 2 for Echo.
KLM 2 Golf, reduce your speed 200 into a localizer and 180 until 60 me. KLM 2 for Echo, reduce to 180.
Reducing speed to 180, KLM 2 for Echo.
Thunder 7 Alpha, ready for taxi.
Lufthansa 7 Alpha, taxi Sierra 7, runway 24 via Alpha.
724 wireless 5,
Alpha 95 Golf Alpha identified, climb flight level 130.
Climb flight level 130, Alpha 95 Golf Alpha.
KLM 74 Foxtrot. KLM 74 Foxtrot.
Yeah, Amsterdam, rival KLM 74 Foxtrot.
KLM 74 Foxtrot, fly heading 100, ILS 27, information Juliet.
Fly heading 100 and we have the information KLM 74 Foxtrot.
KLM 2 for Echo, turn right 245, cleared ILS 27.
Turn right, heading 245, cleared for ILS 27, KLM 2 for Echo.
FedEx 3166, descend to 3000 feet, QNH 1008.
Down 3000 feet and 108, FedEx 3166.
KLM 52 Yankee, ready for push and start. Stand.
KLM 52 Yankee, this started and push, pull approved. KLM 52 Yankee, started and push, pull approved.
Started push approved, KLM 52 Yankee.
7 Alpha, ready when reaching.
7 Alpha, runway 24, clear for takeoff, wind 240 degrees 20 knots, gusting 30.
2500.
Takeoff, runway 24, thank you.
FedEx 3166, confirm descending to 3000.
Send me 3000, FedEx 3166.
Thank you. KLM 2 Golf, this traffic is vacating, runway 24 cleared, crossing runway 27 clear to land, wind 240 degrees 20 knots, cresting 30. KLM 74 Foxtrot, keep high speed.
High speed 74 Foxtrot.
KLM 24 Echo 5 miles behind medium Boeing and reduce speed as convenient for the approach, number 2.
Reducing speed, roger that, KLM 24 Echo.
Easy 1123, taxi to Hotel 1 via Bravo.
Hotel 1 via Bravo, if you want to do. Oslo approach, hello, Transavia 565 with you, descending to flight level 100.
Transavia 565, ILS 27, information is Juliet.
Information Juliet, Transavia 565.
Alpha 95, Golf Alpha, contact Amsterdam, radar 125.750, good day.
12575, down to Alpha 95 Golf Alpha.
FedEx 3166, right turn heading 090 for downwind.
Right 090, FedEx 3166.
Lufthansa 7 Alpha, climb fly level 130 identified. Lufthansa 7 Alpha identified, climb fly level 130.
130, Lufthansa.
KLM 74 Foxtrot is in 3000, QNH 1008.
Central to 3000 feet, QNH 1008, KLM 74 Foxtrot.
Transavia 565 have information Juliet.
Transavia 565 zeker?
We have information Juliet, Transavia 565.
Sorry, er praat iemand door mij heen. Nog een keer.
We hebben information Juliet, Transavia 565.
Ja, dat is correct. Lufthansa 7 Alpha, direct to Randy.
Back to Randy, Lufthansa.
Lufthansa 7 Alpha, my mistake, direct to Lunix.
Direct Unix, Alpha.
Aircraft Speedbird 38 Juliet, stand Delta 5 ready for push and start.
First, FedEx 3166, then right heading 235.
235, FedEx 3166.
Speedbird 38 Juliet, boost spec and start approved, Abim Delta 47.
Push and start of approved facing east side, Speedbird 38 Juliet.
Negative facing west, Abim, stand Delta 47.
Facing west beam, stand Delta 47, Speedbird 38 Juliet.
Lufthansa 7 Alpha, Amsterdam 125 750.
15752, thanks for the
50,
You.
40, 30.
FedEx 3166, cleared ILS approach runway 27.
ILS 27, FedEx 3166.
EC 225, runway 24, cleared for takeoff, wind 240 degrees 20 knots, cresting 30.
Easy 7 Quebec, speaking in 7,000 feet.
78 Quebec, ILS 27, information is Juliet, fly heading 090.
ILS 27, information Juliet, fly heading 090, Easy 7 Quebec.
565, continue present heading.
Continue present heading, Transavia 565.
KLM 24 Echo, proceeding traffic vacating, runway 27, clear to land. Wind 240 degrees 20 knots, cresting 30.
Clear to land, runway 27, KLM 24 Echo.
Also radar, hello, Chang 024 Papa, stand Delta 1873 with Hotel 1007, request correction, and Juliet 1008, request push start.
024 Papa, Juliet correct, push and start approved.
Push approved, Chang 024 Papa.
Easy 225, runway 24, clear for takeoff, wind 240 degrees 20 knots, cresting 30.
Clear for takeoff, runway 24, easy 225.
KLM 5 to Yankee, ready.